हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल जी के अपडेट विथ उन्नति। अगर आप चैनल में न्यू हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें, वीडियो को लाइक एंड शेयर करें एंड नोटिफिकेशन बेल ऑन कर लें, जिससे आपको हमारे न्यू वीडियो की अपडेट मिलती रहे। तो आज के वीडियो का टॉपिक है जैनिज्म, जो कि हिस्ट्री का वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक है, जिसके आज हम टॉप 40 इंपॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज गो थ्रू करेंगे, जो कि आपके अपकमिंग एग्जाम्स के लिए इंपॉर्टेंट है। वीडियो के लास्ट में क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे रहता है, जिसका आंसर आपको कॉमेंट करके बताना होता है। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। हाउ मेनी तीर्थंकर्स आर देयर इन जैनिज्म? And the answer is 24. Second question, who was the founder of Jainism? And the answer is Rishabdev. Third question, who was the first Jain Tirthankar? And the answer is Rishabdev. Fourth question, Rishabdev is also known as, and the answer is Adinath. Fifth question, who was the 23rd Tirthankar of Jainism? And the answer is Parshvanath. Sixth question, Parshvanath was the 23rd Jain Tirthankar and his symbol was, and the answer is snake. Seventh question, where was Mahavira born? And the answer is Kundalpur. Eighth question, Mahavira was born in, and the answer is 540 BC. Ninth question, Vardhaman Mahavira is also known as, and the answer is Jina. 10th question, who was the father of Mahavira? And the answer is Siddharth. 11th question, who was the wife of Mahavira? And the answer is Yashoda. 12th question, who was the daughter of Mahavira? And the answer is Priyadarshana. 13th question, who was the mother of Mahavira? And the answer is Trishula. 14th question, who was the son-in-law of Mahavira? And the answer is Jamali. 15th question, who was the first disciple of Mahavira? And the answer is Jamali. 16th question, which word is used in Jainism for complete knowledge? And the answer is Kaivalya. 17th question, Mahavira attained Kaivalya at the age of? And the answer is 42. 18th question, Mahavira attained Kaivalya under which tree? And the answer is Sal tree. 19th question, where did Mahavira give his first sermon? And the answer is Rajgir. 20th question, who gave the slogan "Live and let live"? And the answer is Mahavira. 21st question, what is the sacred book of Jainism? And the answer is Agamas. 22nd question, which of the following is not included in the Three Ratna of Jainism? And the answer is Creator. 23rd question, which of the doctrines of Jainism was added by Mahavira? And the answer is observe continence. 24th question, Anekantavad is a core theory and philosophy of, and the answer is Jainism. 25th question, where did Mahavira die? And the answer is Pavapuri. 26th question, Mahavira died at the age of? And the answer is 72. 27th question, Mahavira died at the age of 72 in? And the answer is 468 BC. 28th question, what is known as the most important fundamental principle of Jainism? And the answer is non-violence. 29th question, where was the first Jain council held? And the answer is Patliputra. 30th question, the first Jain council held in? And the answer is 300 BC. 31st question, where was the second Jain council held? And the answer is Vallabhi. 32nd question, the second Jain council held in? And the answer is 512 AD. 33rd question, who is said to have become the chief of the Jain Sangh after the death of Mahavira? And the answer is Sudharman. 34th question, Jainism was divided into Swetamvaras and Digambaras during the reign of? And the answer is Mauryas. 35th question, who is given the credit of carrying Jainism in South India? And the answer is Bhadrabahu. 36th question, who is said to be responsible for the spread of Jainism in Karnataka? And the answer is Chandragupta Maurya. 37th question, who of the following kings was an ardent follower of Jainism? And the answer is Kharavela. 38th question, who was the last one in the order of Jain Tirthankars? And the answer is Mahavira. 39th question, which of the following was not a Jain Tirthankar? And the answer is Nath Muni. And the last 40th question, Prabhas Giri is a pilgrim spot of? And the answer is Jains. तो ये थे हिस्ट्री के वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट टॉपिक जैनिज्म के टॉप 40 इम्पॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज। और अब आते हैं क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे पे। सयादवाद इज अ डॉक्ट्रिन ऑफ, तो इस क्वेश्चन का करेक्ट ऑप्शन आपको आंसर करना है कमेंट सेक्शन में।